is official opening of KANU Sports Center Kiddies Football Club. Round of applause. So from today on, the club is open for everybody. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's when the kids, the football club, is going to be functioning. So make sure you register and be part of it. And God bless everybody.
Thank you.
Do some swag now.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, hold on. Before you finish.
Show your. Okay, you have one already.
Let me go to this one.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah?
Happy me now.
What's available when? Oh, the two. Okay.
Who is cutting the cake? Who is cutting the cake?
Sorry.
Smart boy.
Okay.
You not count anything. Okay. Okay. I should go ahead. Yes. Okay, we're going to cut this cake at the last letter U. K. Alright. A. N. U. KANU. Put your hands together.
Bring the one behind this box for the person you have used to bring this one to be. Thank you. And for the hands you have used to make things to work. Thank you. For the children, thank you. For every one of them, because just like the person that you used to create this sports center, it was also a small boy then, but now today became great. May your future be greater in the mighty name of Jesus. It has a purpose for you. The reason is this: before you ever come to this world, it has already has a purpose for you. That purpose, no devil will be able to take it away from you in the mighty name of Jesus. I come against every power, every principalities and powers, every spiritual wickedness in high places that is against your breakthrough. I come against them now in the mighty name of Jesus.
Back that boy, back it. It's okay. No! Nice one, go! Oh my God! Mark. Down! Mark that man in the middle. Oh, this is the spot. All right, back to your man. Let's go. How many minutes? You're looking up. man. No, you are very tired. Nice one. Pass your man. Oh yeah, go. Go, pass your seven. Good one. Your ball. So we are going to score now. You are not trying post again. Okay, you know what will happen? You are going to play. You are going to play defense now for me. That's what I'm saying. Let's play. Very good ball. So you are coming out. It's going in. You're coming out. You are coming out. It's going in.
I think I
And that guy that is doing defense for me, they are two. They are strong. Those are the two we need.
Meet David. He got a new apartment. David's apartment was so empty, he need to buy some electronics and home appliances. He is thinking of how and where to buy the products. David got a new microwave from the market. His microwave stopped working some minutes after use. David's fiancée, Mary, is coming to visit. On getting to his house, David was busy lamenting over the products he bought. He told her how has been cheated, stressed, puzzled. Anthales.com.ng came to her mind and told David to check it out. David visiting www.anthales.com.ng. David purchasing a new microwave and some other home appliances. His order was delivered to his doorstep in less than 24 hours, after making payment with his card. David thanking his fiancée for introducing Anthales to him.
Nice one, let's go. Mark him. Move your ball. Look up. Moving for him now. Hey! Wow, God. Yes. Mark him. Mark them. Seriously. Good. Pull out. Your mouth. Wisdom. that guy gets ball. Pass to him, pass to him. Fast, very fast. Shift him back. Score that goal. I love that. See, you should get that ball there. Frank, he cannot watch him with that ball. Shoot! Good! Wisdom! Wisdom! Frank, get the ball! Fast! Fast! Don't pass ball. Frank, go near it. Frank, go near it. Ball. Get the ball, Frank. Get the ball. Good one. Pass the ball. Pass your ball. Pass by pass. Oh, you want to go. Frank, go. Frank, go. Get the ball. Hurry up. Play ball. Go to the ball. That's what. Go. Hey, go. Martin. Hey, come play. Hey, go. Hey. Hurry up. Jesse. Come on. Yes. Go. Free man there. See me. Go. Always. Inside. Mark that man, mark him. Shoot. In. Anybody that comes out, you take it and run. Yes, just stay there. Don't worry yourself, don't worry. Inside. Anybody get, put it inside. In. Why are you going back now? Inside. Why are you going back? Get the ball. Shoot. Go. Hurry up. Inside. If you get ball, inside. Very good. Your man. Pass it. Oh, this one. Nice one. Yeah, the mother make it. Go. Inside. It's your ball. Oh yeah, come inside. Come, we'll try what's the final. Watch the ball. Ready?
Or you punch.
Hey, yeah, go that round. Stay, we are going to make picture. This is the official winners of the tournament. Where is the coach? Then down. Then down. No, okay, that's good. 3, you come.
Who else doesn't have? Are you still okay? Yeah. Any other person? Any other
come and light that first. No, stay like this. Stay this side. Go on the ground.
Yeah, you're dressed well. And that's who are being on you. Dress us.
This boy, who are you?
You didn't hear, Anna?
Okay, gentlemen, this is the winners. You can make your pictures now. Okay. Well done. Coach.
Okay.
This is share for your team.
For the players. Put your hands together for him. So hold it.
5 of you guys. Oh yeah. Hello.
Say Papilo.
Papilo. Hip hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip hip.
Hooray.
Come
on. Hooray. Okay.
Actually tough, but it was. My name is Edwin Chinon. My name is Edwin Chinon, and I'm the captain of this team. And the match was actually strong, but it was only by the grace of God that we won the match. And I want to say thank you to Papilo, who made us to be one of this group and play a wonderful match today. All I want to say is thank you, Uncle Mr. Papilo, KANU NWANKWO. Thank you very much. What happened is that it was our coach here that told us the formatation and how we should play in game, that we should pass the formation, that we should pass, and nobody should be selfish in game. It means if you are selfish, you will always lose. That's why we were passing balls. If you watch our game very well, it was actually wonderful. If you see our passes, it was wow, it was great. I love this team. Thank you very much.
Meet David. He got a new apartment. David's apartment was so empty, he need to buy some electronics and home appliances. He is thinking of how and where to buy the products. David got a new microwave from the market. His microwave stopped working some minutes after use. David's fiancée, Mary, is coming to visit. On getting to his house, David was busy lamenting over the products he bought. He told her how has been cheated, stressed, puzzled. Anthales.com.ng came to her mind and told David to check it out. David visiting www.anthales.com.ng. David purchasing a new microwave and some other home appliances. His order was delivered to his doorstep in less than 24 hours, after making payment with his card. David thanking his fiancée for introducing Anthales to him.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on.
Go to the back!
This is KANU Sports Center, and we find it feet spread all around the state and Nigeria in whole. The Motherless Babies Home is homes that we do care, that touches our heart, and there's no way we can have such facilities and they're not part of it. And that's why we decided that we go around and make sure that we bring them in and let them come and play with KANU. They've been hearing about KANU. Most of them, the little ones, when I ask them, who am I? They say KANU NWANKWO, the footballer. So now they know who's KANU NWANKWO. They have to now come in, play with KANU, enjoy with KANU. Whatever they are doing here is just fun, and we let them be happy. You know, at the end of the day, they will go back feeling very, very good. Not neglected.
It's alright. That's very good, thoughtful of you, sir. And so, is it going to be regular or today one-off?
No, I don't think I do things that is one-off.
Alright.
So far the center exists, then which means for them, I've told them already, any day, anytime, even if it's 1 AM in the morning, we open the gate for them to come and enjoy it and then use the facility. But the most important thing is that you have to know, most of them are talented. How do we know that? They only to give them the space for them to come and perform. And when they do perform, they might be footballers, they might be basketballers, they might be whatever they are, we find out. And then that's a platform for them as well.
So, can you tell us what inspired you to do this?
I've been doing a lot. I've been doing, KANU Foundation.
Right.
We have the less privileged kids with heart problem. And we have saved 536 people. So it's not an easy thing doing, but yeah, it's good thing doing as well. So why not? We have to channel our energy to other things as well, especially the Motherless Babies Home, because they do call for us to come and help. And most of us are sitting back home, we don't remember them. So KANU Sports Center today, we have remembered them and want them to be part of what we are doing. And we are giving back. The most important thing is to give back, and that's what we are doing.
You're welcome, sir. God bless you, sir.
And then use the opportunity to thank the Asu is next to me.
I know her. She's your manager. Get it. Get her. Get the t-shirt.
She's the one.
No, wait. Okay. It's alright.
She's the pillar that pull all this. It's not easy to go around the whole state looking for Motherless Babies and trying to engage them and bring them across. So all credit also.
Yeah, we will come back. We'll come back to it. So, sir, your heartfelt prayer for these children.
I pray that God will bless them. I pray that God will guide them. God will protect them. And God will give them a good beginning. And God will assist them in whatever they want.
Thank you so much. And I pray that, I know the children will pray for you too, so I will get their own first. But you're still around, sir?
Yes.
I'm around.
Okay. It's a maiden edition?
Yes, maiden edition of our gathering with all the motherless babies in Imo State. Actually, this came because of his background. He told me how much he had to strive to be where he is today. We were discussing, I told him, why don't we bring in the children that don't have opportunity like every other regular child? When he heard it, he said, okay, on Sunday she called me, go ahead and get it organized. So we did this thing you're seeing, the crowd you're seeing here today within 2 days. We're able to reach as much as possible, visited, called, and went to their homes to bring them here. so that they will feel like loved, wanted. Everything a regular child has in a play place, we make sure they have here today, so that when they go home, they will be happy and they will know that they are not just motherless, nobody cares for them. And most of the time, parents, people go to visit them in their homes, they are the motherless homes. But this time around, we said no. Let's get them out to have fresh air, to have a touch feel mixed with other children, so that they will know that there's nothing different between them and every other child. That's actually what gave birth to this thing you're seeing today.
So you mean to tell us that all these children here are motherless?
Yes, 80% of the children, we have over 12 motherless babies home present here today.
All around from Imo State?
All around from Imo State. We have from Olu, we have from Okibe, we have from Owerri Municipal, we have from Amako here, I don't know whether north or south, don't mind me. Okay. So areas like that, and from World Bank, Save the Child, motherless, they are here. Their coordinators are here too. Okay. Love Care, former director, Women Affairs Commission, they are here today. So a lot of people are here today.
So briefly, tell us what are we going to expect here today?
Yes, we are going to expect, like he said, we have seen my mascot ready. It's more like we said, it's a sports day stroke, Easter get together. Sports in the sense that we told them to bring out the children that love sports, so that Papilo will be there training with them. And then party, where we have a bouncing castle where they can play. We also have the boxing arena ready for them, for children that can also box. And then we have our mascot, people that can dance with them. And a lot of gifts, food, drinks. Like what you're seeing today, they are also partnering with us to make sure that every child is fit and healthy. So it's been a great day. And it's going to be greater because they're going to be here until everybody gets tired.
Not including me, as you want it to appear.
My name is Lady Ebere Ojabo Atulewu.
Atulewu?
Yes.
It's all right. Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Everything that jolly, the big on the financial woman be there.
Kentus. Briefly about you. Don't know.
I'm from Umaka. You know, but I live in Lagos. But I live in America. Okay. So KANU is my friend. You know, and I saw him at the airport yesterday. Okay. Then he told me he was having this program. So I said I'm going to come and support him.
It's all right.
So I'm going to give them 500,000 just whatever they're doing. You know. Yeah. I own a hotel in Lagos, November 5, and I'm building something. I'm building a club somewhere. I'm building a club
right.
Not far from here.
Okay. So, what's your prayer for him? He has gotten this idea and he's giving back to the society. What's your prayer? I think he needs some encouragement from people.
I mean, you know,
apart from the money you have done.
Yeah, everybody in the prayer. I just the orphanage kid. You know, I just feel sorry for the kid that don't have no parents, because not to have a parent is very painful. You know, I just lost my dad 2 years ago, so I can relate how painful it is. So I just wish them good luck in life. And anything I can do, I will give them a number. And I will be in contact. I can help. It's just seeing a kid that I have no parents. It's very difficult and very painful. So
Everything I'm doing Wait, let me ask this question.
Hey, listen.
Why do you want to be like KANU NWANKWO? No, why do you want to be like KANU NWANKWO?
Why? Okay, somebody else answer you.
Somebody say totally with the song.
You know one good thing that you have to do. You know that? You don't know. If you want to be a good person, what do you do? Huh? Hard working. What else? Huh? Helping the needy. Oh, fantastic. What else? You do good things for others. What else? There's one thing we are missing. You have to listen to that's the key. If you want to be like KANU, if you want to be bigger than KANU, what do you do?
Listen to your parents.
What of the teachers? What?
Listen to your teachers.
God bless you all. So now, we have to make pictures. After picture, then we make photo. Okay? Okay, yes, I don't like that. How about arrange yourself?
I'm looking for that shorty. With the body shorty. And everybody they shorty. I be in the studio look for Johnny. But if you get the papa, please don't make me shorty. I bet you don't stop. I wanna see you drop it now. For me, on this ground. I am looking for my leader and said, give me the best price. What you can say? The winner's gonna go in the group. I'm gonna show you guys a big lesson. No matter who my judge is, because she goes inside the Alright, let's just thank you. Okay, you guys wait for the next skill I'll call. Do your best step, boys, but do your direction. Spread out, spread out. MC Galaxy. Okay. MC Galaxy. Guys, do dancing. MC Galaxy. Okay. MC Galaxy. Oh, Let's go. Okay. Alright. Good dancing. Yeah, see that nigga. I see you. Okay, sister. one. He was getting out the steps. He was moving. He was going through everything. So now put her hands together. And she's the second. I love you. I'm glad for these children. The first position goes on with 2,000 naira. Let's get together for Papilo. First position, 2,000 naira. Put one for Papilo. 2,000 naira. Put your hands together. A car gift for you to drive. Wow, this is wonderful. And today, I want you to. But this is from the management. The management from Miss Ebe. That's a wonderful car gift. Put your hands together for that. It's not easy. Cut you up in Naira. Put your hands together for her as she gets her gift. Put your hands together for her. It is not easy. It is not easy. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. She's good. I like what she did when she came tired at last. So a cash prize of 500 naira has been given to her. Courtesy of Papilo KANU and a gift item from the management from Mrs. Ebe herself. Take. Put your hands together for her. She goes. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you this. What's the ball? If not for money, not for money. For money, and I'm also going to give her the management of Papilo Sports Center. Alright, and the Sports Center. Children, I'm happy to be here today. Let's go. My shoulder. Hey, let's go again. My head. It's not your head. Your shoulder is not your head. My head. My head. My shoulder. My head. Hey, I'm waiting for you. Okay. Alright. Please, alright, my head. Your shoulder. My knee. You're looking for a knee. Don't know. Okay, you went out now. You're looking for your toe. You don't know your toe is again. My shoulder, my knee, my toe, my head. Hey, your toe is not. My shoulder, my knee, my toe, my head, my shoulder, my knee, my toe, my toe.
Oh, Jesus. My head. My head. My, hey, I said your head. You don't know your head is again. Jesus, this one you be very easy. I got you. I got you. I got it all up. Okay. Alright, my head. My knee. My shoulder. My head. My head. I said my head. My knee. My knee. My head. My knee. My head. My knee. My head. My knee. My head. My knee. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder.